Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss research methodology. The topics focus group interview, case study method, purpose of intelligence testing, survey and sampling error. Focus group interview. A focus group interview. A focus group is a small group of 6 to 10 people led through an open discussion by a skilled moderator. A focus group interview is an unstructured interview. It encourages dialogue among respondents. I repeat again. A focus group is a small group of 6 to 10 people led through an open discussion by a skilled moderator. A focus group interview is an unstructured interview. It encourages dialogue among respondents. Advantages of focus group. First advantage is relatively fast, low cost, flexibility, greater security, opportunity to seek clarification, client involvement. Relatively fast. Focus group are relatively fast to collect data, and second advantage is low cost. The cost of data collection through focus group is relatively low. Flexibility, it is flexible in nature. Greater security, it is more secure than other methods of data collection. Opportunity to seek clarification. Focus groups offer the opportunity to seek clarification of something. Client involvement. Focus group allows the clients or users to get involved in the research process by giving their group interaction. Now we discuss case study method. The case study method is a very popular form of qualitative analysis, and it involves a careful and complete observation of a social unit, be that unit a person, a family, an institution, a cultural group, or even the entire community. According to H. Odom, the case study method is a technique by which individual factor, whether it be an institution or just an episode in the life of an individual or a group, is analyzed in its relationship to any other in the groups. The object of this case study method is to locate the factors that account for the behavior patterns of the given unit as an integrated totality. Characteristics of case study method. Case study method is comprehensive in nature. It is with intensive information. Third, characteristics of case study method is case study should be correct and legal, and it should be qualitative. It helps to know the mutual interrelationship of causal factors. Under case study method, the behavior pattern of the concerning unit is studied directly. Case study method results in fruitful hypotheses along with the data. Advantage of case study method. Case study helps to understand behavioral pattern of an individual, and it helps the researcher to obtain real record of personal experience. This method enables the researcher to trace out the natural history of the social unit and its relationship. It helps in formulation of relevant hypotheses. This method facilitates intensive study of social units, and last all, case study helps the researcher to construct a suitable questionnaire. Limitation of case study method. Important limitation of the case study method are the information gathered in case studies is often not comparable. The information gathered in case studies is often not comparable. Real information is not seen in a case study. It consumes more time and requires a lot of expenditure. The case study are often The case study is often vitiated. The case study method often seems to be unrealistic. Purposes of intelligence testing. The goal of intelligence test is to obtain an idea Purposes of intelligence testing. The goal of intelligence test is to obtain an idea of a person's intellectual property. Intelligence tests are often given as a part of a battery of tests. Purposes are: first purpose, test. Most commonly used in the United States to measure intelligence in children, the WISC and Stanford Binet Intelligence scales assess an individual's verbal reasoning, abstract and visual reasoning, qualitative reasoning and short-term memory. Second, scale. Tests vary based on age group being tested or differing theoretical ideas. Scoring. IQ test questions are not about knowledge but thinking skills and time taken to answer each question is factored into the score. Uses in education. Intelligence scores tend to predict academic aptitude and provides a guide to the student's potential, weakness and strengths. Uses in workplace. Intelligence testing is specialized fields is not new, but some companies are turning to IQ tests to help them choose between candidates or determine where an employee best fits. Survey. Survey is one of the most widely used methods of collecting primary data. Survey can be used to collect wide range information. Example, gathering information regarding attitude, opinion, feeling, etc. of individuals about different phenomena. Surveys are complex in nature and it requires cautious analysis. Uses of survey. Helping to participate in decision making, educating customers or clients, increasing sales volume, providing information and perception about product or service with the customers. Providing statistics tool in business and industry. Providing statistics tool in business and industry and formulating programs to promote domestic and international competitiveness. Sampling error. Sampling error is the difference between a measurement obtained from a sample and the corresponding measurement obtained from the whole population. According to Barron's Accounting Dictionary, sampling error is the difference between the value obtained by sampling and the value that would have been obtained if the entire population had been investigated. Ways of minimizing survey error. We can reduce its survey error by increasing the sample size. A well-designed questionnaire or interview or minimize the systematic or non-sampling error to a great extent. To minimize non-response errors, personal questions should be avoided. A favorable environment should be given to the respondents to answer the questions. Agreeable questions should be avoided to ask to the respondents. Socially desirable questions should be avoided.